That's my 10-year-old Alto. It has gone to the hills, to the seas, to the forest. Now it has developed a peculiar sound which is coming out of, I believe, from the exhaust pipe. I'll just start it up and just hear the sound. It sounds like a race car. I believe there is a puncture in the exhaust pipe, and I'm going to JR Automobiles to get it fixed. হ্যাঁ এই তো এটা দিয়ে দেখা যাচ্ছে হ্যাঁ হুম ঝেড়ে দিলে হয়ে যাবে মিটারটা গরম করে খুলতে হবে ওটা So that's the silencer pipe that has come out from below the car. And look at the holes. One, big holes. That's the amount of rust which came out from the silencer pipe. নতুন হয়ে গেল part is painted, the front part and the rear part is painted. Now is okay, so it is now covered with this huge silencer coating. Should have been done earlier. Anyway, say German premium quality. Price mentioned here is 725 rupees. And the silencer pipe has been fitted to the car and it is performing like original. No rumbling sound coming from it, and it's back to the original sound, original form. Time to end the vlog here. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.